morning students. Today we are going to solve third grade worksheet which you have received on 27th of June. So let's start. First of all, you are going to write your name here in the space provided. Okay, and let's start. This worksheet is very easy for you and it will not take too much time to solve. Okay, so let's start. See, you can see tables and some pictures in the worksheet. So what are these pictures and this table all about? So let's start. See, in the first column what is written? Software name. Second, image. Third, application software. And fourth column is system software. Okay, so let's start. Can you recognize the first icon or the first image? You have to recognize this image. You have to write its name over here and then you have to tick whether it is an application software or system software. Okay, so let's start. Now, yes, which is this icon? Yes, it is MS Word or Microsoft Word. So we will write down here Microsoft Word. Okay, now tell me whether it is an application software or system software. Yes, of course it is an application software. So tick here. Okay, now next one. Yes, what is this? This is an icon of Android. Okay, so we will write down here Android. And what is this Android? Is it application or system software? Yes, it is system software which is used in mobile phones. Okay, it is an operating system. So now next is, yes, we are using this very commonly in our computer. So it is known as Notepad. What is it called? Notepad. Okay, and what is Notepad? Of course it is application software. Okay, everyone done? Chalo. Now what is this? This icon is about Linux. It is known as, this icon represents Linux. Okay, Linux, Linux, and it is, Linux is an, of course it is an operating system, so it comes under system software. Okay, chalo. Now the next icon is, yes, any guesses? We do presentation in this software. So this software is known as Microsoft PowerPoint. Okay, we can also say MS PowerPoint or Microsoft PowerPoint. So we will write down the name here and then it is application software or system software. So it is application software. Now what is this? This is an icon of Apple. So what is Apple? Apple, or Apple is an, of course it is not an application software, it is system software which is used in mobile phones and in laptops also, which the mobile phones or the laptops which belongs to Apple company, so that they only used their own operating system and that is Apple or iOS. Okay, so next is Notepad. What is it called? Yes, it is Notepad or WordPad. If I say WordPad, Notepad, will you agree? No, because it is WordPad. Okay, WordPad, and of course it is application software. Okay, now what is next? Yes, it is commonly used. We have this in our school computers lab. It is Windows operating system, right? So we will write here Windows. Okay, it is also known as MS Windows. Okay, so MS Windows, and of course it is system software. Now last one is your favorite. You love to make drawing in this program. So what is the name of this? It is known as MS Paint. You had a chapter last year on MS Paint, and MS Paint is an application software. Okay, done. Now turn your worksheet, and now here similar exercise is there, but some difference is there. So what is the difference? See here, device name in the first column, second are images or icons, third is hardware, and fourth is software. So what is this all about? In this chapter we have learned about hardwares and softwares. So in the first part of the worksheet we did the software part, and in the second part we are going to do whether the icons, the images which we are seeing are hardware or software. So in same we have to do. In the first column we have to write down the names, and then we have to tick whether it is the software or hardware. Okay, so let's start. Yes, what is this first icon? It is, yes, it is Google Chrome. We use it very commonly in our mobile phones or in our laptops or computers. So it is known as Google Chrome. So what is Google Chrome? Of course it is a software, right? Now the second, what is second one? It is headphone. Write down headphone. Okay, and what is headphone? Of course headphone is a hardware. Now what is this? This is MS Word. Okay, MS Word, which is used for pictures, writing text. Okay, so it is also a software. Now what is this? It is, this one is monitor. Okay, so write down monitor. Of course monitor is a, yes, hardware. Now CD, or we can say compact disc. What is CD or compact disc? It is also a hardware. Now what is this? It is hard disk. What is it called? Hard disk. And hard disk is a hardware. Now what is this? This is a web camera. What is it called? Web camera, and it is a hardware. Now what is this? Your favorite, which you love doing painting or drawing in it? Yes, it is MS Paint, and it is a software. Now what is this? You are very much familiar with it. Yes, it is pen drive, or pen drive is also known as flash drive. So pen drive is a hardware. Now what is it? Yes, MS or Windows operating system. So Windows is software. Okay, MS Windows. Now what is this? It is a microphone. Write down everyone, microphone. And microphone is a hardware. Now this is very much simple. Everyone knows CPU, and CPU is also a hardware. And last one is keyboard. What is keyboard? Hardware or software? Yes, hardware. Okay, and with this we come to an end of our worksheet. So you will complete your worksheet, and after completing you will send me the photos in our school WhatsApp number. Okay, thank you.